today we're out at the tunnel again during the day. Hope you like and enjoy this video. It's way less creepy out here at night. At night. During the day, of course, but just seen a Corvette just go by. Thought he's gonna rev it inside the tunnel, but he passed through and just took off. I was like, man, must be nice. He came from that way, though. But then he went that way. But it is what it is. Seen that car? See, this is why I don't go too far from mine. That's why I don't go too far from mine, just in case something happens. And that's why I lock it, then unlock the door, the driver's side door open, so that stays unlocked. Well, duh, y'all probably know that. No, but should I do more car shows or stay out here in nature and do that? Like video that? Which one should I do? Comment down below. Because I know these nature videos is not as interesting. Sometimes. Shoot. Honestly, I would camp out here. You know, if they had they should make a little spot out here, like a campsite. You know, that'd be cool. I'm sorry I'm not walking around much. I just, yeah, for my safety. Honestly, one of these days I'm just gonna come out here and pick up all this trash. You know, I really do. Somebody does. And I might walk a little bit. But like, hey, but if y'all do hear anything or see anything, just let me know. And please put this timestamp. If y'all don't mind. Where should I go next? Or what should I do next? For like a video. I'm just trying to find some places to go. I want to go to the beach, but yeah, that's kind of, yeah. But just let me know what I should do. I hear a car. I hear a car coming. Not the Bucks. So that's when I just start backing up to my car slowly. And looking behind me. At the same time. Because I don't know. Again, my safety. YouTube do not take this down, but yeah, I got also for my safety. If you know what I mean. I'm not trying to get hurt. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, but or get attacked by an animal. You know, but I do like it out here, as y'all can tell. Just about almost every video is like me out here. But sometimes you gotta enjoy it. Mm-hmm. See, here's somebody coming. Yeah. The truck. That's what I heard. But I always go to the... Jeez. I always go to the other side of the car just in case, even though the driver's side door is right here. But you can never be too safe. You can never be too safe. Especially out here alone. You can never be too safe. You know? But I'm just trying my best. See, I heard the Corvette. Yeah, he's coming back. The Corvette's coming back. Yep, I think. You see a little bit like that. See? Yeah, that's the Corvette that y'all see. Corvette went that way. Yeah, I heard that, and I heard a thump. Oh, yeah, okay. No, but I heard something over here. Sounded like it was over here. But what y'all think about the tunnel? Like, what y'all think? Would y'all ever visit here? Would y'all ever visit the tunnel? I'll visit. It'd be nice, honestly. See how it is out here, especially at night. Yes, I know I show the tunnel a lot. Sorry for all the wind, but my hometown, way over there. Yeah, like how you can see it from here, and like the tunnel's like down the road that way. So past where that shed is right there is like past there, like right there. It's like right there. So, but. And that's a tractor wheel. So, I mean, look at this. Oh, way over there, that hill right there. Oh, right there where the little trees are. Yeah, that's across Reedy. Hey, that shows you can see everything. Basically this whole town from somewhere high up, you know. It really shows. I'm sorry for getting so close to the camera. I wish you could see how dirty my car is. Of course, you can go down the orange house. I know. I'm sorry, I'm not funny. I'm sorry. This poor car's been through a lot since I got it. But I know y'all really. It's been through a lot, honestly. It's been through so much. I don't know what to do anymore. So, how's y'all's day been? Yeah, this tractor right up there. See? But it's okay. He's out there working. People way over there, and that white truck is working. They don't really show much of this one, but the point of life if you don't take risks, you know? You ain't risking, you ain't living. But that's pretty sketchy, honestly. That was pretty sketchy. But if they're working on here, then okay. It is what it is. Tractor, trailer. And of course, you can see like a business white with that silver roof is way out there. And that's like.